Partner ni former President Duterte na si Hanilet at anak nito si Kitty dumating na sa The Hague, Netherlands. Reporter ng GMA at ABS-CBN Dinedma.
Maayo, kapoy lang. Gahapon. Makabisita mo ka. Gahulat lang, wala. Ready lang yun para anytime. Gatulat kami. Hindi naman si Bibi na. Nag-grocery naman si PRD. Nag-grocery na din. Palit naman sa boxer. Pero makabisita ka. Wala po. Salamat ha.
Salamat ma'am. Nalang tanan rin mo suporta sa inyo.
Gamhanan ato ang kuan. Kita mo na ay Ginoo sila.
Yes, ano po yung sabi sa inyo doon nang nag-ask kayo ng permission? May binigay na po bang time kung makakapasok kayo? Meron po bang silang sinabi?
It's good na at least they brought this out. And then it's not only for the Filipino communities or Filipinos, it's the whole world. Imagine.
And the exposure, you know,
of the reality. Our president.
Political injustice. Klaro na kaayo. Justice world. Nabudol ni ma'am.
Pero hindi mo naman maano ito kung we don't love our president, former president, we won't be coming here. We came from all over the world. Yes. We don't live here.
Wala may binayaran. At our expense, our effort and money because of our love for our...
You know, we have time owing from our work. Just to be here. So it shows how much we love our former president. It's really a joy that he is really good. Yes, he is.
With the support of all Filipinos, I think.
Dili lang mi musultian na ma'am ha.
From our heart, and we can see from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, the widening project and everything. Oh my God, we can see all the projects.
Kahit hindi pa siya naging presidente, mayor pa lang siya ng Davao City. Ang laki ng pagbabago, peace and order. Ang mga tao sa Davao City, alam mo, mga ordinance ng ni Mayor, former president, talagang ang mga taga Davao City nag-follow talaga yan. Masyadong disiplinado ang mga taga Davao.
You know where
Kaya mahal na mahal namin si former
discipline
president.
is the most important.